Let's make pizza without oven. Add oil. Add ginger garlic paste. Add boneless chicken. Mix well. Add 1 spoon salt. Add 1 spoon turmeric. Mix. Add 1 spoon chili flakes. Add 1 spoon black pepper. Mix well. It's ready. Add water. 2 spoon yeast. 1 spoon sugar. Add a spoon salt. Mix well. Add to cup maida. Mix it. Add 1 egg. Mix well. Rest in 20 minutes. Let's make dough. Roll it. Done. Add some all in plate. Make pizza. Small hole with fork. Add pizza sauce. Add chicken. Add cheese. Add capsicum. Add onions. Again, the 4 steps. That's it. 35 minutes. It's ready. Cutting the pizza. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Final look so yummy.